G'day guys, Adrian from Casabella Built. Today we're here at one of our renovation projects in Clayton South and we're getting ready for handover. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you guys some of the finishes we've managed to produce on this project. Let's start off by taking a look at the bathrooms and then we can move our way outside and have a look at the outdoor entertainment area. In the bathrooms, we've used a 6x6 Italian-made tile with a commercial grout called epoxy grout. Epoxy grout is 100% waterproof and will never stain or change colour. One of the features I really like about this bathroom is the wall-to-wall niche with the LED strip. Our interior designer decided on this niche to add dimension and add a feature to what would have been a fairly ordinary tiled wall. We've used living brass tapware, shower heads and fixtures with a custom made vanity. So now we've had a sneak peek at our bathrooms, let's go check out the kitchen. The kitchen has been designed by keeping most of the original layout. We've gone with a high-end durable stone top by Decton and kept most of the cabinetry a clean, crisp white. To add some definition, we have used a darker shaker profile for the upper cabinetry. There are plenty of functional additions to this kitchen, including the Blum spacer corner drawer and the Blum Liga box system. The flooring has been filled, sanded and polished as we thought it would be a great idea to showcase some of the original features of this 1980s home. New aluminium double glazed windows and doors have been installed following skylights, downlights and lots more. Now to finish off our video, I wanted to show you guys every Aussie's favourite part of the home, the outdoor entertainment area. This entertainment area has been built with the best of finishes and quality materials, using Merbu decking with stainless steel bugle head screws, F7 cypress stress posts, hardwood finger jointed rafters and screen battens. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Now I hope this video has provided you with enough information to make those hard decisions when it comes to renovating your own home. Now if you're thinking about doing a renovation, you can reach out to us at www.casabellabuilt.com.